I want to talk to you about these Tide single pack liquid detergent, perfect for travel. So they come in different sizes of packets, like the number of packets you can get, and also the amount of liquid that you get in each packet. So there is a variety of choices for you to choose from. But for me, this is perfect for travel, especially if I know I'm going to be somewhere for a while and I probably am going to want to do some laundry. And most hotels have um, washing machines that you can use, and you just like slip this real easy in your suitcase, and then when you go to need it, you've got it handy. This is um, a, a great little addition to all of my travel kits, and that's just my honest opinion.